Alright, so I got a new toy. You guys have seen the Ruger 22 before, but the barrel's longer. What? Yeah, it's a Yankee Hill Phantom 22 suppressor. Titanium, very light. Fully disassembles. You can clean it. So I picked that up because I wanted to have quiet hearing with my 22. However, I'm going to see how it does today. And by the way, they don't sell these anymore. I don't know why. It's a great rifle. We're live! Okay. I'm trying to decide whether to shoot all the way down there at 100 or shoot this 50-yarder. I wonder what it looks like. I might shoot it first. The 50-yard.
Yeah, that would.
Yeah. All right. Gonna go with the Norma TAC 22 first. Don't know that it's completely sonic, but it's always shot well in it. Oops. This has got a little bit of magnification on it. Alright, here we go.
Oh, my ears.
Ow! I was like, did it go off?
Sound of the round hitting as loud as
Yeah.
And that's not subsonic either, right?
So 103 per second, so it's close.
Just a little over, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. However, I'm going to live on the edge. It'll be more loud than shooting next door.
Yeah.
All right. I wish I knew what the velocity was on some of this stuff. So I've got Wolf Extra Match, Ely 10X, Ely Target, and then this Cellular Block Club. Yeah, Club. Let's shoot some of that. See what it does. I can get the box.
Can you see where you're hitting on that?
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah. It was okay. Like it's so windy.
yeah.
I guess.
Oh, you already had that on side.
Yeah. It's high
good.
because
Yeah.
I have it sighted in for 100 yards.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, 22 is going to.
All right.
It sounds almost the same, maybe.
Does it?
Yeah. It's just slightly sharper, but not.
It doesn't like this stuff.
What, is that the S&B you said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really. Where the other one was 18 inch, this is 2 inches. Like it doesn't like it. Good thing I didn't buy a lot of. Okay, this is the Ely Target with the wind howling. Left, now left, one down. See, now the wind's blowing right at us.
Hard.
Now it's going to the left. Yeah, this is not a good day for this, but it's fun.
Ricochet.
Ricochet. Wind blow to the left. See it. It's not kicking out the empties. I had that trouble with another brand before.
Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute, you want to shoot it?
Pass up.
There's 6. And you can turn up the magnification if you want.
Okay. Looks like here.
I'll just have to take it for granted you can see some of this.
Yeah.
I see what you're talking about. I barely see those little black dots.
Yeah, I can see them. Surprises me. I figured you had to
And
crank
there's,
it up
like I
about
said,
18.
you still
yeah.
got 8 more zooms on it.
Crank it just a little, see what it looks like. You lose a lot of field of view. Well, the eye box gets tight. I can keep my head into it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you gotta keep in it.
Wow. Well. sure that's screwing with me. There we go. Yeah, wow, you do have to keep in this.
Yep.
It is tight. Why do you expect it 24 power, I guess?
Yeah. Oh,
we
Lord, you went all the way up.
Okay. Oh, you got one in there?
Yeah, you just gotta just bolt.
What stuff is this? The
TAC 22.
Okay. So which one I want to shoot at here? The lowest left one. You didn't shoot at that. Doesn't look like. I can keep it on there.
Targets as loud as the actual.
Yeah, it is. That's why I say it's like, especially. Well, I don't know. Got neither one is
Right.
You're winning the same hole. I don't know which. Probably not. Dang, I don't know where they're going now. Oh, one thing, I guess when you put that suppressor on, that probably changed your point of impact.
I'm sure it did.
Yeah.
And it might be messing with accuracy or something. I don't know. But I'm not going to worry about it on a day like today. I'll go to Bass Pro, shoot it in the tube where I know there's no wind, and see what happens. I like that Athlon scope though.
Yeah.
It's easy to turn the.
Oh, I'm shooting low and left. There's I bet. What have I shot? 3 rounds?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, I brought that one up a little bit. I'm shooting slightly right. I dropped 2 of them down at the edge of the paper, just cut the paper.
You've had a pretty good wind while you've been shooting. It's picking up a little down there though.
Yeah, my grip is not good. Black that time.
It's so quiet.
I think that was probably it, isn't it?
Nope. I gave you 6.
Extra opportunity. When I missed it.
Another opportunity to mess up.
Down another one in the black. A little bit to the other side, but that should be it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, alright, let me see. Nope.
Yeah, not hot.
There's relatively nothing.
Yeah, let's not making much heat of it to it. Too bad, yeah.
Nothing.
That's funny.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah, that's fun.
Can't wait to, oh, here we go. What's this?
Yeah. I think that, what was it? Doc Holliday's had some CZ 22s with the bull barrels.
Oh, right.
And 22 mag, 22 here on the back.
Alright, what's it like with these big giant magnifications going on, huh?
You see my group?
Which one were you shooting at?
The bottom far left. Bottom, very bottom.
No.
I put 2 down there and see to the right, quite a bit down at the edge of the paper, barely cut in. But the rest of them went, you know, one of them out, 2 in the black.
Way low and way. I don't know what that round was, to be honest. New mag, old mag.
Springfield Armory.
Oh, the
2022.
Right over they are.
Yeah.
All right, let me try.
It looks kind of nice. They use, what I liked about it, it uses a Ruger 1022 mag. in it.
Yeah. They're smart. A lot of them are doing that now.
I'd probably just get a Ruger bolt. Did that.
All right. I'll try 5 more. I'll let you do some more. The wind seems to be dying down.
Yeah, it's times when it died. Like right now is the time to shoot.
I just wish it wasn't so windy.
Yeah. Shell's still in there.
I don't know what it is about that last piece of brass coming out. Did you want to shoot it at 50? Well, it'll be way high.
Shooting
now.
at 100 yarder.
Yeah.
That is kind of fun.
Can't you shoot? You know what? Let's see what you think of the wolf.
You're gonna make me want to buy a nice 22 for target shooting now. That fires
fun.
optic on it.
These boxes are suspiciously like Healy boxes. No way. It even has E stamped on the brass. Wolf, cheaters. They don't even make their own ammo. I'm gonna try it with this new magazine. It's got the red follower. I was shooting at the bottom right one, so.
Okay.
I can barely see the whole target from here, so.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can shoot at the center or the bottom center.
Whichever one.
Try and get lined up the straightest with it here. Okay, now you'll find it again. There we go. Hard time just locking in and keeping it there.
Well, it's because it
Yeah.
24 magnification shows all your
Yeah,
errors of your ways.
yeah. There we go. And get some heat. Aberration kind of off there.
Off the
I guess off the
suppressor?
Yeah, I think so.
Or is it just off the ground down there?
What am I seeing there? Maybe it's not that. Maybe it's something else. Yeah, no, it could have been my imagination. Unless that's two that's right.
see what it sounds like from a distance.
Well, that one went into black, or did it? I don't know. Probably is, isn't it?
Yep. Let's see.
Well, that kicked out.
This is louder.
Oh.
Staple gun. Louder.
Well, I have no idea where those were going.
Alright. Oh man. That's going to be some cleaning doing on that.
That ejected point.
Yeah. On the, and it's the new mag. It's the old mags that it has trouble ejecting on this rig. I wonder if it's because they're a little.
Man, I should have brought something to drink.
Well, I don't know if you can hear me with the pistols in the back, but I like that suppressor. Hey everybody, so back from shooting the Ruger 22 long range, which I guess Ruger doesn't make anymore. They've got some new thing out that looks like it has the same action and barrel, but the stock is more traditional and a gray laminate. But took it out again today. Hadn't been out in a while. Tried some different ammo, couple of different kinds of Ely, Southern Ballot, S&B Club, which yeah, whatever. And then my standby, the Norman TAC 22, which is still pretty good. Again, another windy day in Missouri, so I fought the wind and had a little bit of difficulty because of right to left kind of wind, especially with a 22 at 100 yards. But I was pretty happy with it. Like I said, I hadn't been out in a while, and what I was really trying was that new Yankee Hill Phantom 22, which I don't know if you could tell on the video, but it's very quiet. Like as you saw where I did the staple gun. The staple gun is actually in person louder than standing next to the can when the 22 goes off. So anyway, just show you some groups here. They're not too bad. You know, and I talked about the different kinds I was shooting, but this is 100 yards, remember. Here's a 5-shot group. Here's a 4-shot group, another 4-shot group. So I did pretty good, but if you'll notice a trend, they're all strung out left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. They were all strung out left to right, and that was just a function of the wind. Like I could see in the scope, my Athlon 6x24, that I could see the bullets in flight through the scope, and I could tell you I could see the wind blowing the bullets. All subsonics are traveling relatively slow, but you know, it is what it is, and I got to tell you, I didn't dislike that. Like I said in the video, I'm going to head to our local Bass Pro. I have a membership in the range there, and I will go into their tube and shoot where I know there's no wind, and we'll see what happens with these. But you got to figure out if the suppressor is changing the point of aim. I'll do that next. I didn't try it today, just ran out of time. But anyway, great time at the range. Had a lot of fun with that Yankee Hill suppressor. I really do like that. It's very light. 5 ounces for, I mean, it's really light titanium, so I do appreciate that. Direct thread. May have to look for a pistol. Edit this out, my editor wife, and just forget that I said that. But it was a lot of fun to shoot, and hopefully we'll see how that goes in the future if I happen to do that. But anyway, epic time. Always epic when you go to the range. Can't shoot beat that. Having it anytime you get to shoot, it's always a good time. So hope you liked it. Enjoy, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.